right, you guys. So once you created your first video, like I said, you can go ahead and make just one long video, and then you'll just do this, explain how you constructed a perpendicular bisector, and then you're going to go to Unit 1 Constructions Test. You're going to do the bottom one, and you're going to create a video explaining how to do a parallel line through a point. So I'm going to demo that one again right now for you. And so, like I said, make sure that you have embedded the camera so I can see you, and we'll go over how to do that in class today. All right, so here is a black line, and we have a point. So our goal is to create a parallel line that goes through that point W and is parallel to this black line, okay? So the first thing you're going to do to construct a parallel line is you're going to go ahead and put your, you're going to click the line and you're going to click on the W, and you want a line that goes through that point and intersects our black line at some point. So you're going to go ahead and intersect it. The next thing we want to do is we're going to measure one of these angles. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to measure the angle that is between the gray and the black line. So I'm going to get my compass. I'm going to put my compass on that point of intersection, and I'm going to make it a little big, not too small, not too big, but just like a medium length. And we're going to measure this arc. So I'm going to go ahead and mark right here to measure this angle right here. Now, do not do anything to your compass. Do not adjust your circle. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the center of that circle and we're going to drag it to our point W. Yours could be something different. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to measure that same arc. All right, so I'll demo that again real quick. We went here, we measured this arc, then we're going to take it and we're going to drag it to our point and measure that same arc. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, I'm going to click a new compass. And what we want to do is we need to figure out how wide this angle is. So we're going to go from that point right here and this point right here. So in order to measure that length, we're going to use our compass. So we're going to put our compass on that point, and then we're going to drag to the other arc. And so in a sense, this is the radius of this circle, and we want to measure how long that radius is. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to use that measurement. You're not making any arcs anywhere here. You're just going to use that measurement. And now you're going to go over to our intersecting arc. So that means we're going to pass our point W. Don't put it on W. You're going to pass it and put it where the gray line and the arc intersect. And notice now we're going to go ahead and copy that angle, that arc. And so, in a sense, basically what we did by doing that is we measured this angle, and we know that this angle and that angle are corresponding angles. That means they're the same measurement, they're congruent. So we're going to now just connect that point of intersection of our two arcs and our point W with a line. So where they intersect and W with a line. And you can see right here, the blue line and the black line are parallel. And so make sure before you hit end your video, make sure you go down to submit your answer. And you're going to hit yes, submit. And it tells you that you did it right. Okay, a couple other features if you didn't notice, there's this over here. You can pause your video. You can also write on it if you wanted to. So if you wanted to write something, you could go ahead and write on it. All right, so that is your test for constructions. Is not only are you going to fill this out and get 100%, but you need to upload your video explaining how you did the two constructions. Thank you for watching. Hopefully that helps.